In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, custom fields, or randomly. Let's get started by opening ClickUp. Head to the app in your browser or desktop version, and make sure you're in the correct workspace for the tasks you want to organize. Once you're in, you'll see your hierarchy on the left side, with spaces, folders, and lists. Think of a space as the top-level container for a team or project area, where you'll manage views like list, board, and more. Next, open the space where your tasks live. Clicking into the right space ensures you're only sorting the tasks relevant to that area, not across your entire account. If you manage multiple spaces, take a second to confirm you've picked the one that contains the tasks you want to reorder. This keeps your workflow clean and avoids unexpected changes in other projects. Now, switch to the board view. Board organizes your tasks into columns, often by status, so you can see cards at a glance. It's perfect for visual sorting because you can quickly confirm that changes to order are happening the way you expect within each column. If you're already on board, you're good to go. With your board open, look for the Sort control. You'll typically find it near the top of the view. Clicking Sort opens a panel that tells ClickUp how to arrange items. This doesn't change your tasks, it just changes how they're displayed. It's a non-destructive way to bring order to a busy board, especially when you're trying to scan or prioritize quickly. From the Sort options, choose Task Name. Selecting Task Name arranges your tasks alphabetically based on their titles, making it easy to find items and maintain a predictable order. This is especially helpful if your team follows consistent naming patterns, like prefixes or tags in the task name. Depending on your workspace settings, you may see an option to flip the direction if you prefer the reverse order. If you need to order by something else, the same Sort panel typically includes other choices, such as sorting by a custom field you've added to your tasks, and in some configurations you might even see a random option to shuffle items for unbiased selection. For now, stick with Task Name to get that clean A to Z layout. And that's it. You opened ClickUp, went into the right space, switched to Board, used the Sort control, and applied Task Name to organize your tasks alphabetically. Use the same Sort menu whenever you want to switch between alphabetical order, custom field sorting, or a randomized view to suit your workflow.